Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and we're going to talk about when it's going to be kind of hard for us to be able to help you if you suspect that you have a birth trauma case. All right, so I'm shooting this video and it's going to be really fast because we get this question, and from time to time when individuals contact us and they want an investigation done as to whether the doctors or the nurses, whether they were the cause of their baby's brain injury at birth. And so I'm going to talk about some of the things that we have to go through and some of the things that we want to investigate, we want to look at when we're trying to help families get answers. And so for today, I'm going to help you understand what we're looking at and the important concepts that come up in birth trauma cases. All right, so one of the main areas of investigation, or one of the main things that we have to be able to prove if we are going to bring a case on your behalf, on your family's behalf, is that we have to be able to show that what the doctors and the nurses, what they did, that it was their actions which were the cause of the injury. Let that sink in because it's really important. You have to understand that the actions of the doctors and the nurses, those actions have to be the cause of the injury. And in tort law, this would be the element of causation. Causation is up to the plaintiff. The plaintiff has the burden of proving what caused the injury. All right, and so what we can find in some cases is that when we're doing an investigation and we're looking at everything, sometimes the injury may have occurred and it had nothing to do with the doctors or the nurses. It was just something that happened, could have happened during development, it could have happened earlier in the process. So that is something that you have to understand. And a lot of times, you know, when this is the case, we can have families, sometimes they're kind of angry and they don't like that. And that's understandable. That is definitely understandable. But for some families, we also find that they just want answers. They just want to be able to know one way or the other. So the purpose of today's video is to try to help you understand this process, to help you understand some of the things that a birth trauma attorney is going to be looking at when we are going through these cases, when we're investigating and when we're helping families find answers in regards to what may have happened to their baby, either during labor and delivery, or was it something that may have happened earlier in time. If you have more questions for me, if you would like to talk with me about an investigation or to get more clarity on what's going on in your situation, there's a telephone number below. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I talk with families all the time about these things, about CP, about HIE, MAS, brachial plexus injuries. This is what we do. We help families find answers. And as I've said in this video, sometimes we are able to push forward and help a family with a claim or a case going forward through the courts. And in some cases, we're not able to help in that instance, but we're able to at least, you know, be able to give some answers as to what may have happened. One more thing before I leave. If you pick up the phone and you call me and you're not in Maryland, I practice law here in the state of Maryland, understand that if this is something that we think that we can assist you with, that we have to use co-counsel or local counsel, and by that I mean an attorney in your state to help with everything. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I'll see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.